happiness, joy and regards to everyone on the eve of Onam festival. Festivals brings us joy, happy and prosperous. During festival, we share our greetings, we share our dishes and our feast. In most of the countries, right from the time immemorial, the festivals are celebrated based on our farming system and the harvest we got from our farm. In America, festival is celebrated as Thanksgiving Day. In Tamil Nadu, we celebrate as Pongal. In Kerala, we celebrate as Onam. We should always respect the nature and obey the nature command. The nature never deceives us. It is only we who deceive the nature. This floral design from the flowers plucked from our garden. I try to explain one or two flower petals which are very colorful and brings joy to our eyes. This flower is called as adenium flower, known as desert rose, and the flower which is white in color is called plumeria, spoon leaf flower. And the flowers which have been designed here by my wife and by my daughter. This is bougainvillea petals, and the green color is aralia. The leaves which is surrounded by the ever silver light is ficus species, and the border of that flower, this is flame of the forest, Delanax regia. So all these colorful flowers were plucked in my garden. We convey this pookolam on eve of Onam festivals to all our friends, relatives and well-wishers. Again, we will meet you on other occasion from Aadhavan farm. Thank you.